Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play with your friends on Sea of Thieves. First, launch the game and navigate to the main menu. From there, select the Play option. You will then choose Adventure Mode, which is where you can embark on epic voyages with your crew. Next, pick your ship size. A sloop is perfect for 2 pirates, while a galleon accommodates up to 4. Finally, invite your friends using your platform's friends list before you even set sail. Once you have chosen your ship, you will notice several open slots available for your crewmates. The game will provide an intuitive prompt, allowing you to easily send invitations to your friends who are currently online. It is crucial that your friends accept these invitations to successfully join your game session. Always confirm that everyone is prepared and ready for adventure before you depart from the safety of the outpost. Effective communication is absolutely vital for a successful pirate crew. You can use the in-game voice chat, or if you prefer, an external communication application for seamless teamwork. Consider assigning specific roles, such as a helmsman to steer, a cannoneer for combat, or a lookout to spot dangers. Clearly communicate enemy ship sightings and any treasure discoveries, coordinating your actions during intense combat, and when solving intricate riddles will greatly enhance your shared experience. Now that your crew is assembled and communicating effectively, it is time to embark on thrilling shared adventures. Work collaboratively to complete challenging voyages, unearth valuable treasure, and bravely defeat formidable foes. Remember to share all resources and any hard-earned loot equally among your entire crew. Explore mysterious new islands and uncover hidden secrets as a cohesive team. Most importantly, savor the incredible shared experience of sailing the vast pirate seas with your closest friends.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.